Have you forgot Windows 10 password and want to reset Windows 10 password without losing data? If yes, this video is for you. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pinned comment to unlock Windows 10 without password in minutes. Hey folks, myself Akhil from Dell Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to unlock Windows 10 without password in minutes. The best thing, we can reset Windows 10 password without losing data. First, there are many instances when you forgot Windows password, and if you want to unlock our computer or laptop, we will need to reinstall Windows. But then we will lose all our data. First, what if we don't want to lose important data? Well, then we will require professional Windows password recovery tool, and this is what I am going to share with you all today. But before I start, if you are new to Dell Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So finally, let's begin and know how to reset Windows 10 password without losing data. And for this, we will be using iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer. iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer is a powerful Windows password recovery software that can instantly reset or remove any Windows passwords without losing data. First, it supports Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8.1 and Windows 7 as well. So no matter which Windows version or edition you are using, you can unlock your computer without losing data using iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer. We can use it to remove administrator password or can also add a new administrator account. And all this can be done in 4 simple steps. Easy to use, that comes with 100% recovery rate and 100% success rate. Wow, that's simply insane. Let's give it a try, and for that click on download. It starts downloading, and once iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on this to open it. First, here we have iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer. So clean and simple UI. Even if you are a novice user, you can use it to unlock your Windows computer without password. Here we will need a USB device or CD DVD. We will be using a USB device, and for that click on USB device. Now we need to connect our USB device with computer. Once connected, choose a USB device and click on begin burning. Here comes a warning that our USB will be formatted. Click on yes. It will start extracting files to USB device, and within seconds we will get the confirmation. Burning successfully. Finally, our USB device is ready with iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer. Now we can use it to unlock any Windows computer. Here is my laptop which is locked, and I am not able to log in as I have forgot password. Let's plug in pen drive and restart Windows. Once Windows restarts, press F12 key to enter boot menu. Select the USB storage device and hit enter. Now our laptop will boot through USB device, and we will see a dialog box like this. Select the Windows, it's Windows 10 Pro. Next, in step 2, we need to select the user for which we want to reset Windows password. Selected Dell Originals. Next, in step 3, we can reset password or can also add a new user. Click on reset password. Here comes a warning. Do you want to set this user password to blank? Select yes, and you will see password for user Dell Originals as blank. Next, click on reboot, and this opens up a dialog box. Now we can remove the USB device from laptop and click on yes to restart now. Laptop restarts, and boom, we can log into user Dell Originals without any password. The password is reset to blank now. Wow, that was just insane. Same way, we can also unlock any Windows 10 computer in minutes using iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer. Now you may ask, is iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer pricing plans. We are back on official website. Click on buy now. Here we have pricing plans for iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer. You can choose any of the plans as per your requirements. This is highly affordable and offers one-time purchase with lifetime free updates. Wow, that's cool. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment to try out iSumsoft Windows Password Refixer if you want to reset Windows 10 password without losing data. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Develop Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Have you deleted an important file and want to recover it? If yes, this video is for you. Forgot iPhone passcode and want to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID? If yes, this video is for you.